Welcome to our course, How to Start a Career in Digital Marketing. After taking this course, you will understand who a digital marketer is, how popular this profession is, and how to start to get into it. So let's begin. I'm sure you've heard buzzwords like SMM, Facebook ads, SEO, social media marketing, sales funnels, content marketing, email marketing, chatbots, and so on. But you don't understand what they mean, why people need it, and why it is so popular now. And you're interested to know about it. You've probably heard that digital marketing is now at its peak of popularity and in high demand. And digital marketers are the kind of magic people who have an interesting profession, good salary, and can work remotely from anywhere in the world. If you're interested in digital marketing, you probably have this question. How can I become a marketer? Where can I start to learn this profession if there's a lot of information on the internet and it's all unstructured? Is it a great line of work? How much can I earn if I choose this profession? What are the perspectives and opportunities? What else does the skill of marketing bring to my life? How can I start earning from marketing without quitting my current job? How can I profitably combine earnings in marketing with my current profession? That's why we created this course, to answer these questions. In this course, you will learn what is digital marketing, how to become a digital marketer, what are the trends in digital marketing, what's the best way to start learning, which trends are paid the most, what you need to learn in the beginning and what later, how can you start earning money in this new profession without quitting your current job, and the most importantly, we'll tell you what you shouldn't do while you learn about digital marketing. I'll say a few words about why Apiway and why we can educate you. We started our way in marketing back to 2011. In 2013, we already had 7 people working in our marketing agency. In 2019, we founded Apiway. Apiway is a tool for digital marketers, which we will talk about later. Now it's important to understand that we make an app that digital marketers use. Already thousands of marketers use our Apiway app. To promote Apiway globally, we use all kinds of digital marketing. We definitely have a lot to tell you and a lot of experience to share with you. So, let's begin.